Good day. My name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. Today we're going to cover Mathematics N6. The topic of this tutorial is integration techniques. Let's get straight into it. Okay. The main difference with integration is that you will be dividing, not multiplying. You'll be dividing your exponent, not multiplying it, and also you'll be adding an exponent, not minusing. I will show you how to do that. Okay. First sum is 3 to the x to the power 6. Now, what we need to do is say plus 1. So this is 6 plus 1 is 7, and we divide by 7. So it's 3 to the 7 x to the 7. We don't divide by the first number, we divide by the added number. Okay, that's the first thing that got integrated. Now the next sum to integrate is plus integrate 2x squared minus 6, and we integrate that as well. Okay. Now what we need to do is integrate 2x squared. So 3 over 7, x to the 7. Now integrate 2 plus 1 over 3. So it's plus 2 over 3 x to the 3 minus, now what we do is we integrate, the next sum is 6, so that is 6x. That is 6x, so that's 0 plus 1. So our final sum looks 3 to the 7, x to the 7 plus 2 over 3, x to the 3 minus 6x plus c. Plus c. It must always be plus c at the end of your integrations. That means plus a constant. Next sum. Okay, and also what we must remember is that integration is the opposite of differentiation. So whatever you get will be the opposite of what you would get if you differentiated. So, for example, 1, integrate 1 plus integrate 1 over x plus integrate 2 over 2 squared, x squared. We're integrating, what we're doing is integrating step by step. So we're integrating each term. So what we're going to do is say 1 becomes x plus. Now the integral of 1 over x is ln x. Plus, now we're going to integrate 2. Now we're going to bring the x up and minus 2 to the power minus 2. So what we're going to do, what we're going to say, is that x plus ln x. Now we're going to say minus 2 plus 1. So that is divided by minus 1. So 2 times minus 1 is minus 2x to the minus 1 to the power minus 1. Okay, so now that we've done that, plus c, x plus ln x minus 2 over x plus c. We are leaving everything as we had it in the beginning. As we had it in the beginning, we are leaving it like that. Take that down. Next sum. Okay, next sum. This sum says sine 2x plus pi over 2. Okay, so what we have to do now is say the only thing of relevance here is the sine and the 2. This is of no consequence whatsoever in this particular sum. This is of no consequence. So what we have to do is say minus cos, because that's integrated, minus cos times x plus pi over 2 multiplied by, now because this is 2, it must be divided, so it becomes a half. It's a division, so it becomes a half. If that was 3, it would become a third. If it was a 4, it would become a fourth, and so on. Because what you do, if you have, just for a quick example, if you do any integration, so let's say sine 3x. If you're doing that, what will happen is, it'll become, and you integrate, it'll be minus cos 3x divided by 3. That's how you would write it. So, I'm just applying that same principle here. I'm just applying the same principle right here. So we're going to say minus a half cos 2 times x plus pi over 2. And that is our final answer. Plus c. Plus c. You must always remember your plus c. You must always remember plus c. You mustn't forget it, because plus c is a mark. Okay, now we're going to integrate this sum here. So how we integrate this is we put everything underneath the same base. So what we're going to do is say x cubed over x plus 2x over x minus 4 over x. And integrate, integrate, integrate. Quite simple. Now, what we need to do is we can get rid of an x here. So x cubed divided by x is x squared. 2x divided by x is just 2, so plus 2 minus 4 over x. Okay, so what we have to do now is say 2 plus 1, so that is x cubed over 3 plus 2x, because that is 2, x 0 plus 1. So it's an x plus 1. And now this one, we're going to integrate in a few steps. We're going to say 4x to the minus 1. So 4x to the minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. So this just becomes, so minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. So it's just plain 4. So yeah, it's just 4. So our final answer plus c. So our final answer is x cubed over 3 plus 2x minus 4. Plus c. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.